Finally, my laptop's here. I'm so freaking excited. Time to go in and pick the sucker up. Oh yeah! So freaking excited. It's here. Time for the unboxing video. Oh yeah! Let's see. What should we see? Now, as you saw, picked up my ThinkPad from UPS. Pretty excited about it. Been waiting quite a while. Been watching it, checking UPS tracking like every day for 2 weeks. So excited. Finally shipped. Super excited. And what's even better than that? Docking station and the laptop. Super awesome. Yeah. I think it's time to open this sucker up. Let's check it out. Look at that right there. Just that's the only thing holding the sucker to keeping it closed. Ooh. There we go. It's like the most awesome laptop ever. Holy smokes. The size of this thing's amazing. ThinkPad. What else do we have in here? It's like the instructions. I suspect this is going to be the power cable. And, of course, the battery. It's got a different connector than I'm normally used to. Most of my laptops have had a circular, this one's more rectangle. Cool battery, supposed to last like 9 hours. Guess we'll see. See what's going on with that. ThinkPad.
Mom, I got a surprise for you.
All right, got the battery out. It's time to open up this laptop. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Let's plug in the battery. Look at that. Docking station ready. It'll be so awesome. First time opening it up. Ooh, check out that. I remember looking at magazines as a kid with the little mouse, the little thing there. Fingerprint scanner. And then check that out. Lights up right there. Isn't that cool? Oh, right there. Oh, apparently the battery's not charged at all. So we'll plug this in real quick. Windows 10 is starting up. Booting it up for the first time. While we're waiting for that to initialize, let's check out the docking station. that. It's got a release. Some keys so you can lock it into place. Oh, that's what's cool about the docking stations right there. Look at all these extra connections. USBs, there's where it plugs in with another power adapter, so you don't have to use the one from your laptop. You can leave it plugged in. HDMI, all kinds of course, DVI, VGA, a host of other accessories. Super awesome. So when you come home after a long day, you can just drop it in. Everything fires up, ready to go. And of course, the manual for the dock, and then it shows you can hook up 3 monitors, which is awesome. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah, going through the normal Windows 10 setup. Choose your time zone. And of course nobody reads the legal stuff. Yada yada, let's go. And then use the express settings for now. Just the weight of this thing is awesome. Got the i5 processor. It's gonna be fun getting the fingerprint scanner rolling. That'll be cool. As you can see, my HP laptop also has a fingerprint scanner. Super fun. As you can see, I did go with a smaller screen size so I could fit it in backpacks. A lot easier. 17 is a little tight. 15, perfect fit. Of course, going through the update setting. So depending on how fast our internet is, we'll see what happens. So after we get all this connected up, we'll do another follow-up review. See how it's performing.